Want to customize your Roblox character on Android? In this video, I'll show you how to change your avatar step by step. Let's get started. Open the Roblox app on your Android phone and tap the three-line bar at the top left corner. Now tap your profile, then tap Edit Avatar. Scroll down. Here you change your avatar. Now tap Body. Here you are allowed to change hair, face, skin tone, and body type. This changes how your character looks and moves. Now tap Clothing. Here you can change shirts, pants, jackets, shoes. Tap any item to equip it instantly. You can equip multiple accessories at once. In that way, you can change accessories, animations, and emotes. However, to shop for this item, you must buy items using Robux or search for free items. That's it for customizing a Roblox character on Android. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and comment if you want free outfit ideas.